Hey, today we're going to discuss how Bitcoin's hash rate rises after China miners exodus. Man, it started getting a little juicy. We also going to look into the charts and see where we're at right now and where we're headed. Let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here in the group, Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys having a great day. I know I am. Tesla did pretty good today, chill now. But guys, I mean, crypto's doing pretty good. Guys, we're seeing green across the board. But before we go any further, guys, make sure to hit that like button. Share the content, guys, and subscribe to the channel. Only 90%, it's 90% of people watch the videos don't even subscribe. Just click that subscribe button, guys. Pause right now. Go click that subscribe button right now. All right, guys, we'll bring you today. This is very important news, very good news, very bullish news. We know we've seen when Bitcoin hash rate went down, after the whole China thing. Then we see what happened to the price. But now we're starting to see Bitcoin's hash rate rises after China miner exodus. So despite an impressive increase in Bitcoin's hash rate over the last month, there's still a long way to go before it reaches a new all-time high. Now, before we go into that, let's check out Bitcoin. Check out the granddaddy Bitcoin. Guys, we was up 8 days in a row, guys. Okay, volume here, but then we start picking up on a volume right here. So guys, as you'll see, if you've been watching my videos every day, then I've been telling people, you know what I'm saying? So, the proof is in the pudding. Just go right back and check it out. You know what I'm saying? I've been telling people, look, we don't gotta go straight moonshot rocket ship straight up to the moon. You know what I mean? We can go and do, and take steps by steps. Go up, then up, come back down, go up, come back down. We do like like which color did Jeff Bezos did, but we ain't flying in that kind of a spaceship. I tell you right now, I'm not getting no spaceship looking like the one that Bezos was in. But guys, we can go, go up, boom, 35.8 or 35.9 basically. Boom, I told you, step by step, man. Follow that fib right up. 273. Boom. We hit a bit of 40,678. We went to a high of about 40, almost 41,000. You know what I'm saying? Wicked up here. Did it twice. We're here already today, guys. We had that little doji. We can still end today green. We still can end today green. So, let's see if we can close above. Like I said, let's close above this. Let's close above that. What we did it. We was here. We said, because 32.9. I can tell people 32.9. We go below, close below 39. Might not be fine. All right. So we got above 32.9. Got above 32.868, 38.273. Above my above my trend line, the downward trend line. We're above that trend line. We're starting to get bullish. Hash rate starting to pick up a little bit more as well. Listen, this is easy. Sometimes this is better. A lot of times this is better because you're able to put more money in. You see what I'm saying? Let's just say, you don't get your check until Friday, and we moonshot all the way up to the moon, and now you mad because you missed out. So what's good is this. You go up here, boom, slow but steady. Say we close the day around 38,272 or in between this box here, which I'm not too mad at. You know what I'm saying? We close above here and we keep going. This is how you accumulate wealth, guys. Slow but steady. But the market goes straight up, and if you only got, say, half a Bitcoin, or if you got 10% of a Bitcoin, you're mad. But you could have bought 10% of a Bitcoin, every time it goes up. You know what I'm saying? Or during this whole time it was going down, you could have bought 10% of Bitcoin 10 times, and then you got a full Bitcoin. All right, so let's go. So it says, Bitcoin global network appears to be recovering from the recent slump caused by China's crackdown on the crypto mining industry. According to Y charts, the Bitcoin hash rate reached 115.71 EHs on July 27th. And even though it dropped to 106.7 EHs the next day, it nonetheless marks an 82.5% increase since the steep decline to 58.46 seen a month earlier. Now, Bitcoin hash rate, the measuring unit of network's processing power, hits an all-time high above 198 EHs in mid-April. However, over the next 2 months, it declined sharply after the authorities in several Chinese provinces issued shutdown orders now against Bitcoin mining operators, forcing them to relocate to countries including the U.S. and Kazakhstan. All right, so the increase in hash power is also set to result in Bitcoin's mining difficulty going up in 2 days' time when the next adjustment of the parameter will occur. Now, data from BTC.com shows that after 4 consecutive difficulty drops, the next adjustment on July 31st is expected to see Bitcoin mining difficulty rise by more than 4%. So it's really good to stay on top of the hash rate and see, how the hash rate, how the hash power is being used, and you know what I mean. So you can see and follow these trends, guys. I'm telling you, man, with Bitcoin, everything is transparent. It's right there in front of you. It's an open book test, guys. So it says mining difficulty is a measure designed to calculate how much computational power is required to produce new Bitcoin. The fewer miners are aligned, the easier mining Bitcoin becomes. Bitcoin mining difficulty peaked above 25 trillion in mid-May. However, since when it has become as much as 54% easier to find new blocks. Now, it's a slow but steady recovery. Sound like somebody we know, right? Somebody just said that slow and steady recovery. Somebody been preaching that for a long time, slow and steady. All right. Some experts believe that Bitcoin network is now well on the way to recovering from the slump, even predicting a new all-time high in mining difficulty, with the caveat that it's not going to happen in the next couple of months. In a short-term perspective, over the next difficulty adjustments for the rest of the year, we can expect a slow and steady increase in the global network hash rate and thus an increase in Bitcoin mining difficulty. Edward Evanson, head of business development at Brains, two eyes, the operator of Slush Pool, told Decrypt. That's down to next generation mining machines from Bitmain and MicroBT starting to be delivered to miners. Now, meanwhile, miners that already have a significant amount of existing capacity will be turning on more machines. However, Evanson's reckons that this will be a protracted process due to the mass exodus of machines and hash rate out of China over the last several months. He also pointed to the lack of rack space and energy capacity available to accommodate all the machines that were turned off in several Chinese provinces, including Yunnan and Anhui. It will be some time before these machines are turned on and we return to all-time high in terms of global hash rate, says Evanson, who added that with the new all-time high will probably occur sometime in Q1, Q2 next year. So these guys think it's going to be a super cycle. With the price of Bitcoin recently returning above 40 grand, miners could indeed have more reasons for optimism. According to Y charts, in the past week, the revenues have been climbing up as well. Yep, because the higher the price of Bitcoin, guys, then the more money they make off of mining that Bitcoin. So they're going to want to turn on those machines, because if you're mining a certain X amount of Bitcoin at 50,000, it's 50,000. It's very enticing to turn the machines on versus you mine a Bitcoin at 30. So, guys, let me know what you think about this right here. Let me know what you think about this right here. Is this bullish news? Are you happy about this right here? Also, let me know what you think about what's going to happen with Bitcoin. You think Bitcoin will go down, Bitcoin go up? I'd love to hear about that. We're seeing low volume right here so far. This doji don't know what it want to do. The whales or the bears, they're fighting right now. The bulls and bears are fighting right now. We'll see if the whales will win. We'll see how it work out. But I have an idea how it's gonna work out. But like I said, slow and steady, guys. Slow and steady. All right. But this your guy, Crypto Chuck, here to Crypto Black, guys. Make sure you stack your sats and chill. We'll see you guys next video. We out of here, baby. Peace.